you today, children? Ooh, it's good that you are fine today. Now, are you ready for our lesson today? Are you excited for what we are about to learn? That's nice because teacher is also excited for what we are about to learn. Now, before we learn something today, let's dance and follow teacher, okay? Okay. It's you who builds community. It's you who builds community. La la la, roll over the ocean, roll over the sea, roll over the ocean in a deep blue sea. It's me who builds community. It's me who builds community. La la la, roll over the ocean, roll over the sea, roll over the ocean in a deep blue sea. It's us who builds community. It's us who builds community. La la la, roll over the ocean, roll over the sea, roll over the ocean in a deep blue sea. It's me, it's us who builds community. It's you, it's me, it's us who builds community. La la la, roll over the ocean, roll over the sea, roll over the ocean in a deep blue sea. Yay! It's nice that you're doing it with me, children. Let's clap. Now, what have you noticed with our song? That's right. Our song talks about community. Now, what's community? There is you, there is me, and there is us in a community. That's right. Now, who is in the community? Who is in the community? Do you know who are they? Now let's find out. In the community, we have our community helpers. In our community helpers, we have, do you know who are they? Now, I'm gonna show you some pictures and then you tell me if you know some of them. So these pictures are the parts of the community helpers. Okay? Now let's start. Oh, by the way, do you know what you call me? I am your teacher. That's right. I am also part of your community. Now, look at this picture. What do you think is this? The picture shows a teacher. Now, what do you think is the role of the teacher in the community? Like Teacher Camille, what do you think Teacher Camille is doing? That's right. Teachers are the one, what? Who help us learn ABCs, how to count, how to dance, and many more. So teachers are also part of the community helpers. That's right. Oh no, children, I'm so sick. It feels like I'm having fever. Who should I call and ask for help? Who should we call and ask for help? We have our we have our nurse and our doctors. So, what do you think they do? The nurses and the doctors. That's right. The nurses and the doctors are the one who make us feel better when we feel sick. Okay? Are we going to be scared of them? No. We should not be scared of them because why? They make us feel better. Okay, so next time, if you're not feeling okay, you ask for help of the nurses and the doctors. Okay? Okay. Okay, how about this one? In the picture, there is a lady holding with the cleaning tools. What do you think is the help of the lady in the community? That's right. This lady is called a janitor. Janitors are what? They are the one who make our environment clean. Am I right? They are the one who help our place so clean and bright. So when you see them, you always say thank you. Okay? Now if you have a trash, do not just throw it anywhere. Let's also help them by throwing it on the trash can. That's right, children. Now, oh no! There is fire, children. Who should we call and ask for help? Should I call my teacher? Or the doctors? Or should we call the janitors? No, we should call the firefighter. They are the one who what? They are the one who fight the fire. They help us stop the fire. Okay? So if there is a fire, always think that we should call and ask for help of the firefighters. Okay? Okay. Now, for the last one, children, I'm so hungry. Who should we ask for help? I don't know how to cook. That's right. Now, who is this? It's the chef. Chef are the one who cooks our food, right? They help us get full. So if we are hungry, let's ask for their help. Like your mom or dad, they can also be called a chef because they know how to cook. Okay? Okay, so this is a what? A chef. Okay, children, don't forget. So, these are the community helpers that help us in our community. Now, children, let me ask you, who should we call for help if we want to learn something in our school? Is it the firefighter or the chef? Who? That's right. It's the teacher. Very good. Now, how about if there is a fire? Who should we call for help? That's right. We call for help of the firefighter. How about if our place is so messy? Who should we call for help? That's right. Let's call for help of our janitors. Now, how about if you are feeling sick? That's right. It's the nurse and the doctors. Very good, children. How about if we are feeling hungry? It's the chef. Very good, children. You learned something new today. Now, before we go, let's sing our goodbye song. Oh, and before I forgot, do not forget, if you see one of them, make sure you say thank you, okay? Thank you for helping our community. Okay, children? Now, before I say goodbye, let's sing our goodbye song. Okay? Everybody, let's follow. Goodbye, goodbye, see you and you and you. Goodbye, goodbye, may God watch over you. Goodbye, children. It's me again, Teacher Camille, and it's nice to meet you.